Hello, this is Robert, and this is a 100-year-old calculating machine called a Comptometer. And now today, I am going to do something really silly, which is to use this 100-year-old calculating machine to calculate a square root. And being silly, the number of which I'm going to calculate the square root is 69. Okay. So the task is to calculate the square root of 69. Now let's get started. Alright, I'm going to be using the small numbers on the keys. See 0, 1, 2, 3, they have small numbers. I'm going to ignore the large numbers for now. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep an eye on this number down here, which is currently 69. And I want to keep it from going under. I want to make it lower, but I don't want to go under. Now watch this. I'm going to punch in 00 using those keys on top. Then I'm going to go up by 2, so I'm going to put in 2. Then I'm going to put in 4. Then I'm going to put in 6. Again, I'm using a leading 0, so I'm actually just put in 0, 6. Then I'm going to put in 0, 8. And then 10, and then 12, and then 14, and I'm not going to do 16 because we have here 0, 5, which is under 16, so that's small enough. Now what I'm going to do, I just move this thing over to keep track of where I am. You see how here it says 80? Now I'm going to double that in my head. Remember, this is a 100-year-old machine, so back then multiplying by 2 was something people could just do in their head. So I'm going to take that 80, multiply it by 2, make it 160. So what I'm going to do is, I'm moving one space over. So now, as you can see, I'm with the small numbers. I have 160. Punch that in. 162, punch that in. 164 will fit, but without much room to spare. And so you see here, I only have 11 left, so I don't want to go past this because 166 will not fit. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to move this over. It says 830. Now I'm going to put that in as 1660. Here, I don't have enough, I have to hold my phone and I don't have enough fingers, so I'll punch it in one digit at a time, okay? Actually, no, I'm not going to punch it in because 1660 is not going to fit. We only have 1100 to work with. We can't put in like 1600. So again, we're going to move this. I know this says 8301, but we're going to pretend that this is a 0. We always pretend that whatever here is a 0, at least at first. And so now we double it and we get 16600. And that 1, we're going to treat this, how we have a 1 here and a 1 here, we're going to treat this as 0 and this as 11. We're just going to pretend. So I said 16600. 16600, so I'm going to start 16600, 16602, 16604, 16606, 16608. I can just fit one more in. You see, I only have room enough to fit one more in. 16610 and 16612 won't fit. You see? So now we have 8.306 something. Now we move this over again. I know we have a 1 and a 0, but we'll pretend that this is a 0 and that this is a 10. So we take our 83060, or yeah, like I said, we're pretending it's a 0, and we double it, and we get 166120. So that's 166120. Now, okay, I'm going to punch in here. Wait a minute. 166120. Fell off the edge, but so what? 166122. 166124. 166126. We can fit two more of them in, but not three. 166128. 166130. And so that's what we have here is 8.3066 for our square root of 69. And then, yeah, we move one place over again. And then we have to add in 1661 something. The other digits have fallen off the edge, so we'll just do this 1661 thing until it goes under, which will clearly take twice, but not 3 times. And then we move one more digit over, and let's see, yeah. And then clearly we can fit it in our 166 something. We can fit it in 3 times, but not 4. Let's make it 4 so that we can just round it off. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's see. We have 8.306624 as the square root of 69. Again, that's 8.306624. Now let's use the comptometer to make sure that we actually did that correctly. Okay. Let's see. 8.306624 once. Oh, the heck with it. I think I've proven my point, and it'll take forever to try to multiply with only one hand, so I'll just cheat and use an electronic calculator to check our results. The video cut out, so I'm going to have to redo that last bit. 8.306624 times itself is this. So, all right, 8.306623 times itself is a bit too low. 8.306624 times itself is a bit too big, so I think we've nailed it.